I'm back again with another edition. It's me, your guy, Saint News Author. May God bless you as you're listening. Don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell. God bless you as you do so. Yes, one of our brother, which we know since 2017, Bin Evans, the kidnapper kingpin. The case is still in the court. They are still parodying him. But of recent, he come out and give another evidence that police forced him to confess that he is a kidnapper, but he is not a kidnapper. That's what they said. That police made him to claim that he's a kidnapper. That is a legitimate businessman. But why should police force someone to say what he or she did not do? If it's true, but such is not good. Or they come up another cooking story to deceive the masses. May God help us. When the old authority is upside down, they will bring innocent person who does nothing. They will kill him and persecute him and kill him. But he who is original crime committed, they will set him free and kill innocent soul. May God help us with our judicial. Another one. This our brother Gumi, who said that bandit and handsome men, they are not a Nigerian problem. That they are only kidnap and request for money. They are kidnap children and they request for money. Why IPOB always kill, destroy government properties, destroy every government facility, INEC and every other things, that they cannot compare with IPOB. That IPOB is a killer. That his own people, being a Fulani man, he is defending them, or he is the leader of the handsome men and Fulani man. That is why he stood on his feet to defend them at all costs. That they are not a killer, they are only bandit, handsome. They kidnap children, and they demand money. That's the only they are doing, because they didn't go to school, or because they don't have any other thing to do. They are already the duty they knew are only kidnap and demand money, and they will sell the children free. But they are the same people that are killing people, destroy things, burning houses, killing farmers, destroying farmers. But now he's defending them that they are not a killer. May God help us. Let federal government know what to do at a right time. This man need to put to justice. Northern, they have stand up on their feet and said that Northern Group issue National Assembly Attorney General of the Federation asked court to order Biafra referendum immediately. When we said the North are not joking, this time around, we mean it. Biafra should soon come to pass and everybody will rest. That means they are seeing Biafra as a threat to federal government, or they are seeing Biafra as a threat to Northern or to Nigeria as a whole. That is why they are not standing their feet to say that let Biafra go, so that Nigeria will be in peace. Yes, if it's possible for Nigeria to let Biafra go, let it be done. Because Biafrans always want their own nation. They are fighting to have their nation, to be on their own, to control their own resources. But federal government will not let it be. Why? Because Biafrans as a kingpin of Nigeria. If Biafra go, Nigeria will not have a stay or a head. It will not sweet, because the majority people in Nigeria are Biafrans. You see, that is why it's hard, difficult to let them go. Nigeria government knows what Biafra want. That is why they are always holding them down. May God help us on this issue. Amen. Our brother Davido have break another record. Davido have emerged #1 artist in YouTube, Nigeria. BMW boss Davido, popularly known as Davido, has achieved a new fact in his musical career. May God bless you, bro. Keep on moving. Forward. May God lead you, always guide you, because you're always making a good record to make Nigeria proud. May God always guide your footsteps. May His light always shine upon your life. Nigeria Senate President, you was elected to make sure things are moving well in Nigeria. This is your statement by President of the Senate, Ahmed, who has explained why it is important for Nigeria government to continue to borrow responsible to fund. My God. So all the resources Nigeria are making every blessed day, all the resources, Nigeria are still continue borrowing money. Borrowing money for what? Borrowing money to put Nigeria in order, or to borrow money to feed you people pocket, to pay people salaries and the allowances. You people are borrowing money for you people good, not for the good of the Nigerians. No. You people are borrowing money to feed on a pocket. Look at House Assembly House. It's leaking water. Total leaking of water. What have people done to prevent it? Must people also borrow money to fix the house? The Senate President, must you people borrow money to fix the house? That is the disgrace in Nigeria a whole, including you that paraded yourself as a Senate President, which you don't think that you know the right thing that you are in your position to do. Look at what they put in people's hands. People cannot even thought to do things that will favor the people that elected you people. Not that people are there doing things on our own free will to benefit yourself, to make yourself proud, not to make Nigeria proud. May God help us to give us a leader that will lead Nigeria to the promised land, not those who are always leading on their own personal pocket. May God guide us. Look at every blessed day, Fulani bandit and handsome men, they are killing people, killing innocent souls. You people in the head will not do anything. Ladder, you are fighting for your own pocket, borrowing money. I still talking about borrowing money. Why to solve problem? We people cannot solve problem. Look at what is happening right now in River State, when handsome men are destroying things, killing people, destroying the government properties, but you people are there. Do not. Instead, you people are not blaming IPOBs that did nothing. Look at those who even knows those who are destroying things, but you are putting in the hands of IPOB, which they are non-violent. They are on their own, doing things on their own, just refrain on assurance of something state of Biafra. That's what they need. But those people are there to frustrate the whole effort by destroying things. That's political thoughts. Let you people find the right thing to do and sort it out, and stop all those bandits and handsome men to destroy things, destroying things every blessed day. You people cannot stop it. Instead of that, you people are sending soldiers into Eastern to go and kill innocent souls, those who are doing on the orderly basis. Is it hatred, people hatred, federal hatred in Eastern region? When would those hatred stop? My fellow men, with the overdue, let me put it this way. In my own view or point, how can you influence your woman to prove to her that you love her so much? Coming out in public to propose to her, is that the best thing to do? My fellow man, Before you come out in public to surprise your woman by proposing to her, first thing you have to do is what? Try to understand her feelings, what she like and what she does not like, to avoid heartbreak. Because not all ladies need all those public things, coming out in public, laying down in public, so everybody will see that she's proposing. No, the song will break your heart into pieces by doing so. Some have discipline, respect. Not those ones who are always influenced of public attention. No, not everybody love public attention. My dear brothers, let us do the right thing at the right time and know how to propose to your woman that will make her happy, to feel good, to make her know that you care for her and you love her so much and that you will be there to protect her at any fucking given time. My dear, coming in public to propose to your girl, try to know her motive. If she's someone who loves public attention, yes, she may respect you and honor your purpose. But if she's not someone who honors such purpose, you will receive a hard blow. May God guide us and always give us wisdom to do things at the right time. Thank you all for listening. Whenever you come across my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that wherever I come up with a new video, you'll be the first person to receive the alert. May God guide us.